I need a washing machine. I'm tired of washing these clothes with my hands every day. I'm tired.
Baby, I don't have enough money.
Oh, it's not expensive. It's just 80,000 naira.
80,000 what?
It's very cheap. I need a washing machine. I can't do this with my hands anymore.
Don't worry, I'll get it for you. Don't worry.
Okay, baby.
Okongwo, do you have strong and quality washing machine here?
You know waiting the right position before they enter. Okongwo, general, overseer of machine. They ask to go for that. I have all kinds of machines you want. I have big, I have small, I have now. Sorry that the big one is not here. Someone came all the way from Wari and buy that one. Yesterday, just yesterday. And this small one here is 80,000. Why this medium is 1.5?
I need this one at 1,500. Take. No need of receipt.
What's happening here?
What is the matter?
This washing machine is too lazy. You need to change it. Get a new one.
So you have to wash this.
Can't you say it? The clothes are many here.
And don't worry, I need to change it for you, okay?
Change it. I need a new machine.
The washing machine you sold to me is very lazy. He can't even wash pants. Talk about bra. I need another one.
Direct from China, Belgium, original. See this how they want give you now. If they hear person talk, and you get remote control. Look at the remote here. Take. If you want this machine to wash faster, press 3. It will wash faster. You can even hear. You can even call his name. It will follow you.
Okay.
What? Full time?
The washer.
See, I won't go AY show with these clothes.
Wash am. After washing,
They iron.
What?
press it very well.
How about we have this?
I want to use it right now. Washer, please. I need you to get this clothes ready. I'm going to remove it. My clothes is ready. I love this washing machine. It's right though. Thank you very much. I like it.
Baby, go dance, follow somebody. I like my girl in particular.
So you don't want this clothes. I told you I want to use this clothes and go to AY show. You let this clothes.
Hey, I need passwords now.
What? Serious. Lady!
What?
Where's the clothes now?
Where are you going?
I am going to wash your wife. What? How about we have this?
Wait.
I am going to wash your wife.